Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Caitlyn in Wild Rift. First, understand Caitlyn's role as a long-range attack damage carry. Her passive, Headshot, empowers basic attacks for bonus damage, especially after hitting traps or nets. Use her Piltover Peacemaker, her Q ability, to clear minion waves efficiently and poke enemies from a safe distance. This ability is key for early game pressure. During the early game, your primary goal is to farm minions effectively to build your item advantage. Strategically place your Yordle snap traps in key areas like bushes or narrow pathways to control the lane. When an enemy champion triggers a trap, follow up immediately with an empowered headshot. This combination provides significant poke damage and helps you dominate the lane.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: just like you want a clean shot in Wild Rift, you want a fresh car. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find the link for this awesome air freshener, along with other deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
As the game progresses into the mid-game, focus on grouping with your team to secure objectives like Dragon and Baron. Your 90 caliber net, Caitlyn's E ability, is crucial for both escaping dangerous situations and closing the gap on low-health enemies. Always maintain a safe position behind your tanks and supports in team fights, allowing you to unleash consistent damage without being targeted. In the late game, your item build should prioritize critical strike chance and attack damage to maximize your damage output. Your ultimate ability, Ace in the Hole, is perfect for executing low-health enemies who are trying to escape. Remember to continuously place Yordle snap traps to maintain vision control, preventing enemy ambushes and securing your team's map presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.